This is MSNBC, and we're back now with more breaking news from here in Washington, this time at the Justice Department involving a lawsuit over the Russia investigation. NBC Justice correspondent Pete Williams is here now. And Pete, what more do we know?
This is all about the Mueller report. Remember the Mueller report? Last Friday, a federal judge here in Washington ruled that the House should be able to get grand jury material that was redacted in the Mueller report itself and the underlying evidence that backed up what's referred to in the Mueller report. And he ordered the Justice Department to turn that over to the House by this coming Wednesday. Well, today, as expected, the government has appealed that ruling. First of all, they say they believe they have a good case and that if this material is turned over now, it's irrevocably made available to others, and that the House, by a simple majority vote, could make any of it public, so that the lower court's ruling should be reviewed now because the government would be irreparably harmed. But secondly, they say the House doesn't really need this right now because they say it looks like the Ukraine investigation is going to go on for several more months. And secondly, the government says by the House leadership's own admission, the Mueller report is not the basis or the centerpiece of the impeachment investigation. So for all these reasons, they tell the judge, we want to stay right now, and we are going to appeal this to the Court of Appeals here because the government says there is no basis in the law for turning this material over to the House.
All right, Pete Williams, thanks for that, sir. We appreciate it.
Hey there, I'm Chris Hayes from MSNBC. Thanks for watching MSNBC on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date with the videos we're putting out, you can click subscribe just below me or click over on this list to see lots of other great videos.